Welcome to day 5. Today, we'll focus on being fully present in the moment. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's start by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Begin to notice the sensations in your body. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Listen to the sounds around you without judgment, simply observing. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and refreshing, and as it leaves, warm and soothing. With each breath, remind yourself, I am here. I am present. Repeat this a few times, letting the words sink in. I am here. I am present. I am here. I am present. Let's do this one last time. I am here. I am present. If your mind begins to wander to thoughts of the past or future, gently guide it back to the sensations of your breath and body. Notice the rhythm of your breathing. Notice how your body feels as it softens and relaxes with each exhale. Now, let's take a moment to simply be. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just be here, fully present, fully aware. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this sense of presence with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Stillness is a powerful gift. It allows us to see clearly, to find peace amidst the noise, and to reconnect with what truly matters. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of clarity. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.